Yo, what is poverty? Why do so many people live in extreme poverty all around the world? See, I know poverty is not natural. Poverty is man-made. So when did poverty begin? Why is there so much poverty in the world? See, and I know so many people are trying their best to end poverty, but are we really doing it right? Are the actions that we are taking right now, is it really going to be able to end poverty in the 21st century? Well, time will tell. But for now, I know poverty is still knocking on our door. Seeing every ghetto youth, don't give up, just jack up and don't back up. Use your brain, build your skills, know yourself, overstand yourself, pick up your guitar, pick up your music, sing, do your best you can to get out of poverty. Seeing poverty is knocking on our door, but we no go answer. Not today. Poverty is knocking on my door. I no go answer, not today. Oh, life in the ghetto, it's not easy to survive. Poverty is knocking on my door. Ooh, I no go answer, not today. Oh, life in the ghetto, ooh, it's not easy to survive. Hustle and we struggle every day, down in the ghetto, looking for better days. Ooh, nobody knows, no one sees, no one feel our pain. Hustle and we struggle every day, oh, down in the ghetto, looking for better days. Ooh, nobody knows, no one sees, no one feel our pain. Poverty is knocking on our door. We no go answer, not today. Ooh, life in the ghetto is not easy. Ooh, to survive. Oh, poverty is knocking on our door. Oh, we no go answer, oh, not today. Oh, life in the ghetto, oh, it's not easy. Oh, to survive. Yo, poverty is knocking on our door, but we no go answer, not today. Seeing big up every ghetto you jack up, don't back up. The ghetto youth revolution have just begun.